Let's smell it. Give it the smell test. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for a little taste test of the honeydew melons.
Yeah. So they're gonna taste it, and I'm gonna taste.
Hey, what is on your face?
Makeup.
What? You did a wonderful job with that makeup, little girl.
And I did it to Wyatt too, but I don't know where he is.
Anyways, let's cut these bad boys.
Yeah, they're big at eat.
Okay, well here's what it looks like.
I did not like it.
And my granddaughter didn't like it, but I, however, can get a bite of it. Yep, that's really, really good. Sugary, sweet, so good. I don't know how these people that I live with don't like this. They like the sugar baby watermelons, but what? Are you giving me a thumbs down? What? You're crazy. It's awesome. What do you think, Bogey? Is it good? Sam? Is it yummy? I bet you guys would love it. I'll give you some after the video. All right. Thumbs up. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.